Wow, check out what's happening in my cauldron today. Oh my goodness, it's so slimy. And we have some friends that joined us. Some magic stars in there. You want to get a closer look? Wow. Yes, I cannot wait to see what's happening inside my cauldron. But before we do that, I have to talk to you for a few minutes. So I am here to teach you about two new letters. Can you guess what they are? They're somewhere in here. Yes, you got it. C-K. Now, I have a big, magical, glittery CK to show you. When C and K are together, they say K. Say it with me. K. Now, it's kind of like a little raspy sound. You can feel it in your throat. I'm going to get a little bit closer. So look at my lips. They go like this. K. 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 Yes, that sound is a sound that CK makes. Now, they're kind of like best friends. They go together, and they like to do a lot of the same things. So when they're together, they say the same sound. K. Two letters that make the same sound. Not one sound, not three sounds. Not one letter. Sorry, silly me. Not one letter, not three letters. Two letters that make the same sound. So, in my magical cauldron, I did a CK potion, and I'm really excited to share it with all of you. Now, I also have magical slime surprises to go with our CK potion. And we're going to put our slime surprises with our potion to see what happens when we mix them together. I am so excited, aren't you? Great. Now, before we begin any lesson, we talk about ourselves and how magical we are. Now, you cannot learn until you tap into the magic inside of you. So I want everyone to say, I am. Say it with me. I am. I am magical. I am magical. I am clever. I am clever. That means you do really good thinking. You're smart. All right? I am amazing. Yes, you are. Now, every time before you learn, you say these things in your mind and in your heart. Let's put them in our hearts now. All the wonderful things about ourselves, put them in there. Did you do it? Great, that means you're ready to learn. You have the magic inside you, and I have the magic inside me. And together we can learn great things. Are you ready to head back? Okay, me too. Let's go. Okay, thanks for coming back with me to my cauldron. I'm gonna move it over here. So, I have a magical CK potion, and remember, what does CK say? You got it. So this is a CK potion, and we have our magic slime surprises, but I want you to see the cauldron, so I'm going to go really close. Can you see it? Yes, I'll put it a little closer for you. Wow, look at this. Now, before we begin, I have to add some magic inside here. So let's see what we got. Wow, can you see it better now? Great. That's a really good view, I think. Oh my goodness, look at this. All right. Oh my, hi friends. We had some friends join us today. I'm so happy. All right, we have, Treasure. Oh my goodness, look at her. She went into her snorkeling gear. Oh, you borrowed it from a friend? Excellent. So, let's add some magic stars. Ooh, perfect. And I thought some of this glittering magic I made the other day would be great. It's pink for love. Excellent. You have to love your learning. All right, let's go in here and see what we can find. Oh, look what I found. Wow, it has a lot of magic stars on it. CK. What does CK say? Great job. Hi, friends. Let's see if we have some more. Wow, another one. CK. Great. Oh, let's go in here and see what else we have. This CK potion is amazing. We have another one. CK. Great job, everybody. Ooh, I'm so happy. Look I can't believe magical friends came to visit. I love the LOL girls. CK. There it is, CK. Now remember, C and K are together when they make this sound. Great. Hey, you want to scuba dive down there? Sure. Yeah, see if we have any more treasure. Okay, here I go. 1, 2, 3. Did you? Oh, she got one. Yay. Can you tell us what CK says? Great job, treasure. Any more? CK. Whoa, the magic stars must have given me more CKs. I don't feel any more in there. Oh my goodness, look at this magic. Oh my goodness, it's amazing. No wonder the LOL girls like swimming in there. And remember that we're learning about these two letters, CK. And when they're together, they say, K. Try it with me. K. Excellent job. Whoop, that CK went right back in there. All right, friends, I'm going to have you sit right here and learn about our CK word. Yay, we love CK. Oh, I do too. All right, so we're going to move over here because we have some slime surprises. Whoop, that's a little too close. Remember I told you about slime surprises? I think I'm going to have to move my magic cauldron over so you can see them. All right, here we go. So we have our magic CK potion, and now we have our slime surprises. And we're going to use our slime surprises and our magic CK potion to make new words. Okay, let's see. Ooh, let's pick out this one. What's that? Oh, you see all A's? Great work. We learned that A says ah. So now that we know that A says ah, we should be able to make words with CK too. So I have an A and I have an S. Let's put them together. S, A, and what's the last two letters? CK. Ooh, they're moving in there. All right, let's sound it out. Remember, get your magic finger, blow on it. Put some magic over there one more time. I'm going to put a magic star on mine. Okay, let's sound out. S-A-C, sack. And I'm going to put my special arrow in there to make sure that we say the whole word after we sound it out. Ready? S-A-C, sack. Great job. All right, we're done with that word. Let's pick another slime surprise. Ooh, it's so shiny. How about we pick this one? Wow, look at it, it's all gooey. Yep, I see that A again, and we know that A says ah. Wow. We have a P, 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 and an A, ah, p, ah. Let's put them in our magical potion. Oh, and this is a CK potion. So we're always going to put our CK at the end of the word. Ready? Ooh. P-A-C, pack. P-A-C, pack. we got the word pack. All right, let's put that away. Let's move on to the next slime surprise. All right, I'm going to choose this one. The slime is so gooey. I love it. Do you like slime? Me too. All right. Ooh, this one's different. It's an M. You're right, it's a capital M, so that must mean it is a name? Maybe a name of someone or something? Let's put it down. We have an M, an A, and this is our CK potion. So we're going to put one of our magical CKs at the end. Let's sound it out. Ack, mac, ack, mac. Oh, Mac is a name. That's why it's a capital M. Oh, you knew that? Great work. Okay, slime surprise. Number 1, 2, 3, 4. We're on our fourth word with CK. Oh my goodness, here we go. Ooh, I have a B and an A. Let's put it down. B, A, and we're going to end with one of our magical CKs from the potion because this is a CK potion. B-ack, B-ack, back, B-ack, back. Great job. Hey, I remember we did the word pack, and it reminds me of backpack. If we put those two words together, we'll get a new word, backpack, with 2 CKs. All right, next slime surprise. Ooh, look at this one, has a snowflake in it. I must have been thinking about Elsa's magic when I was doing that. All right, let's take the slime off. Wow. T. And we're going to add our 2 letters at the end from our potion. CK. Let's sound it out. T-ack, tack. T-ack, tack. Great work. Oh, girls, are you having fun learning today? Yes, this is so fun. I love learning new words. Me too. I never knew about CK until now. Great job, Treasure. Look at Treasure even has her mask on from her friend. All right, wow. We have a Z. Make sure I have that the right way. Z says Z, as in zebra. Oh, it's a capital Z, which means we must be learning about a name again. And we have that A, and we learned about A in my last video. A says ah, Z, ah. Oh, we forgot something. We're learning about CK. K. Ready? Z, ack, Zach. Z, ack, Zach. Zach is a name. Great job. All right, here we go with another slime surprise. Ooh, it's all gooey. Oh, H, A, ah. You're all great at A already. Ah, and let's get one of our CKs. K, ack, hack. Let's try it again. Ack, hack. Great work. You just sounded out the word hack. Wow, I think we did all our slime surprises. We did. Do we have any under here? Oh, look at this. We have one underneath hiding. R, A says ah, and CK. Let's put them closer together. we're going to segment them. That means sound them out, and then we're going to blend them, put them together. Ready? Rack, 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 rack. Excellent job. You like this? Yes, I love it. CK, CK, we love CK. CK says, great job. Wow, we made a lot of words today. Maybe they'll all fit right here on our slime tray. Let's see if I can fit them here. Ooh, we have a lot of slime. That's okay. I'm going to take all my slime in a big pile. Hey girls, would you like to play with the slime? Yes, yes, please. All right, that slime's for you girls. Have fun. Thank you, thank you. All right. And you know what, girls? I'm going to give you my Find Your Rainbow sign. Thank you. You're welcome. All right, let's go over the words we made today. We'll move the girls over a little bit. All right, we learned a lot of new words. We learned ack, hack. We learned ack, rack. We learned ack, tack. We learned the name, want to make sure that's right, ack, zack. We learned the name ack, back. We learned the word or the name ack, mac. We learned the word wrong way, ack, pack. And we have one more word. Where can I put it? Maybe here. Sack. Look at all these final CKs. Final means it comes at the end of the word. Final CK. It comes at the end of the word. And when you sound them out, ooh, it's a little bright, sorry about that. Oh, they want to slide all down. When you sound them out, you hear the CK at the end. Sack, hack, rack, tack, zack, back, mac, pack. Great work. Wow, you are all magical learners. You did it. You learned about CK. You have the magic inside you. You learned how to sound out words with final CK. And CK says, K. You did it. You use the magic potion, the magical slime surprises, the magic inside you, and the magic inside me. And together, we learn new words. So I want to tell you that you are magical. Every time you are reading and you see the CK, you say K. And I know you will because you're a magical learner. I'm going to put my CK right there. There it is. Okay? So make sure you practice this. You can watch this video again and even write the words. I know you'll do a great job. And keep watching, okay? I hope you have a great day. I hope it's magical. And I hope you have so much fun. Thank you so much. Have a great day, learners. Bye-bye.